Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. If you have specific questions, consult a qualified doctor. Hello and welcome to Health Pills. Today, we're diving into a topic that may seem small but has big implications for your overall health: toenail fungus. By the end of this video, you'll understand what causes toenail fungus, how to treat it effectively, and most importantly, how to prevent it from coming back. Let's get started on your journey to healthier nails and a healthier body. 1. What toenail fungus really means. Even if toenail fungus appears to be a minor cosmetic issue, it's essential to delve deeper and consider its implications. Toenail fungus can be a signal from your body that something isn't functioning as it should. While the sight of discolored or thickened nails might be bothersome, it serves as a reminder to look at the bigger picture. Is everything working as it should in your body, or is there an underlying issue that needs attention? Typically, when faced with a problem like toenail fungus, the answer is that something within your body isn't in balance. This imbalance provides an opportunity for fungus to thrive, turning what could be a small issue into something persistent or potentially problematic. Addressing the underlying cause rather than just treating the visible symptoms is crucial for ensuring long-term health. Simply masking the problem without identifying why it's occurring will often lead to recurring issues. By focusing on the root cause, whether it's related to circulation, immune function, or internal health, you can stop the fungus from reappearing. Recognizing toenail fungus as more than just a surface-level problem shifts the focus from merely cosmetic treatment to overall health improvement. This approach, while straightforward, is often overlooked. Yet, it's a significant step toward better health and ensuring that these kinds of problems do not persist. Taking toenail fungus seriously means looking deeper and treating your body as a whole system rather than isolated parts. 2. The problem with symptom-based treatment. Many healthcare approaches today focus heavily on symptom management rather than addressing the underlying cause. This type of treatment can offer temporary relief, but often doesn't fix the real problem. For example, when faced with toenail fungus, over-the-counter creams or medicated polishes might mask the appearance temporarily, but they don't tackle the root cause of why the fungus appeared in the first place. True healing involves more than just applying a topical treatment. It requires understanding what internal imbalance allowed the fungus to grow and thrive. Without addressing the core issue, the fungus is likely to return once the treatment stops. This is why it's crucial to shift our perspective from simply treating the symptoms to understanding the mechanisms behind them. This might involve evaluating lifestyle habits, nutritional intake, and overall wellness. The effectiveness of a treatment that only addresses the external signs of a problem is limited. It provides a temporary fix, but not a permanent solution. If the conditions that allowed the fungus to develop remain unchanged, the problem will likely resurface. By focusing on understanding and correcting these underlying factors, long-term health and prevention become possible. This shift from symptom-based to cause-based treatment is transformative, promoting not only healthier nails, but a healthier body overall. It's a fundamental change that can make all the difference in managing toenail fungus and many other health challenges. 3. Understanding pathogens and balance. Microbes are an essential part of our ecosystem and bodies. Fungi, bacteria, yeasts, and other microorganisms are present in the environment and play crucial roles. Toenail fungus, specifically, is often due to dermatophytes, molds, or yeasts that thrive on keratin, a protein found in our nails, hair, and skin. While these microbes are a natural part of our surroundings and our bodies, problems arise when the balance within our system is disrupted. A healthy body maintains a natural defense that keeps these microbes from becoming harmful. So why do some people get toenail fungus while others don't? The answer lies in the body's internal conditions. If there is an imbalance or weakness, such as poor circulation, compromised immunity, or a diet that promotes microbial growth, these microorganisms take advantage. Toenail fungus is not just an external issue. It indicates that your body might be more susceptible to opportunistic organisms. When your body's natural defenses are strong, these pathogens don't have the opportunity to proliferate. This balance is essential to prevent not just toenail fungus, but various infections and health issues. Understanding this helps in creating an environment within your body that discourages the growth of unwanted pathogens. Restoring and maintaining this balance involves lifestyle changes and proactive measures that ensure your body remains less attractive to harmful microbes while supporting beneficial ones. 4. Why some people are more susceptible. Toenail fungus is more likely to develop under certain conditions. Fungi thrive in environments that are dark, warm, and moist, making enclosed spaces like shoes the perfect breeding ground. Poor circulation is another major factor that makes some people more susceptible. The toes are the farthest points from the heart, meaning blood flow is naturally limited, and with limited circulation comes a reduced delivery of immune cells that fight off pathogens. This is why toenail fungus is more common on the feet than the hands. Hands are exposed to air and light, conditions that inhibit fungal growth. People who have conditions that affect circulation, like diabetes or peripheral artery disease, are particularly vulnerable because their bodies are less efficient at delivering nutrients and immune support to extremities. The immune system also plays a significant role. A compromised immune system, whether due to stress, poor diet, or underlying health conditions, means the body is less capable of keeping fungi and other pathogens at bay. Furthermore, wearing tight or poorly ventilated footwear creates an environment that supports the growth of fungi. The combination of these factors determines how susceptible a person is to developing toenail fungus. By addressing and improving these internal conditions, individuals can make their bodies less attractive to these unwanted pathogens, fostering a healthier environment overall and reducing the chances of recurring issues. 5. Reducing sugar and improving nutrition. One of the most impactful ways to combat toenail fungus and prevent it from returning is by improving your diet and reducing sugar intake. Fungi and other microorganisms thrive on glucose, making a diet high in refined sugars and simple carbohydrates a significant risk factor. By lowering blood sugar levels, you create a less hospitable environment for these pathogens. This doesn't mean cutting out carbohydrates entirely, but choosing complex carbs like whole grains, vegetables, and legumes that release energy slowly and don't spike blood sugar levels. Nutrition plays a vital role in overall health, including the health of your nails. Nutrient-dense foods supply the vitamins and minerals needed to maintain strong immunity and proper circulation, both of which are critical in preventing fungal overgrowth. For example, foods rich in antioxidants support the immune system, while omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts promote healthy circulation. Iron, zinc, and vitamins B6 and B12 are also important for red blood cell production and oxygen transport. These nutrients ensure that your extremities, including your toes, receive adequate blood flow. Reducing sugar and focusing on a balanced diet helps not only in fighting off toenail fungus, but also in maintaining a body environment that deters future infections. This simple but powerful dietary shift lays the foundation for improved overall health and resilience against pathogens. 6. Nail care and hygiene tips. Good nail hygiene is an essential part of treating and preventing toenail fungus. Keeping your nails short and well trimmed can prevent the buildup of debris under the nail, which provides a protected environment where fungi can thrive. Always trim your nails straight across to avoid developing ingrown nails, which can lead to further complications and infections. Regular cleaning under the nails can be done using an old toothbrush while in the shower, helping remove debris and dead skin cells that fungi feed on. After bathing or showering, make sure to dry your feet thoroughly, especially between the toes and under the nails where moisture tends to linger. A hair dryer can be used as an extra measure to ensure your nails are completely dry, making them less hospitable to fungi. The type of footwear you choose also plays a role in nail health. Avoid tight, non-breathable shoes that trap moisture and create the warm, damp conditions fungi love. Opt for breathable, well-ventilated shoes whenever possible, and try to go barefoot or wear open-toed shoes when at home. Regularly disinfecting your nail care tools is another important step to prevent reinfection. By maintaining these simple hygiene practices, you can create a less inviting environment for fungal growth and support healthier nails overall. 7. The power of fresh air and sunlight. Exposing your feet to fresh air and sunlight can be an effective, natural way to combat toenail fungus. Most fungi thrive in dark, moist environments, which makes closed shoes a perfect breeding ground. Allowing your feet to breathe by spending time barefoot helps reduce moisture and create conditions that are less favorable for fungal growth. Sunlight, particularly UV light, has antifungal properties that can help eliminate the microorganisms responsible for toenail fungus. UV light damages the cellular structure of fungi, making it difficult for them to survive and reproduce. Spending time outside with your feet exposed to sunlight can be beneficial, even if only for short periods each day. This simple habit not only helps in treating existing infections but also serves as a preventive measure. While direct sunlight exposure is helpful, remember to be cautious about overexposure to avoid sunburn, especially if you have sensitive skin. Aim for a balanced approach that allows your feet to benefit from natural light without risking skin damage. Whenever possible, choose open-toed or breathable footwear to maintain good airflow and minimize the buildup of heat and moisture. This combination of fresh air and sunlight can complement other treatment methods, creating an overall environment that discourages fungal growth and supports healthy nail growth. 8. Boosting circulation through movement. Circulation is essential for overall health and especially important for the treatment and prevention of toenail fungus. The toes are located at the furthest point from the heart, making them one of the hardest places for blood to reach efficiently. Proper circulation ensures that nutrients and immune cells are delivered to fight off any potential fungal growth. Simple aerobic exercises like walking or jogging can significantly improve circulation. Activities that raise your heart rate to a moderate level, such as brisk walking that elevates your heart rate to around 110–120 beats per minute, enhance blood flow to your extremities. Improved circulation brings more oxygen and essential nutrients to the toes, supporting nail health and accelerating the growth of healthy new nails. Even low-impact exercises such as yoga or stretching routines can encourage blood flow. The more consistent you are with movement, the better your circulation will be, which can directly impact your ability to prevent or recover from toenail fungus. For those who have limited mobility, even simple foot exercises like rotating your ankles or wiggling your toes can help stimulate blood flow. Prioritizing regular physical activity not only aids in nail health, but also contributes to overall well-being, boosting energy levels, enhancing cardiovascular health, and strengthening your immune system. 9. The role of breathing exercises and relaxation. Breathing exercises and relaxation techniques are often underestimated but can play a vital role in supporting overall health, including circulation and immune function. Your body relies on an efficient autonomic nervous system to manage involuntary processes such as heartbeat, blood flow, and even nail growth. This system has two main branches: the sympathetic nervous system, which triggers the fight or flight response, and the parasympathetic nervous system, which supports rest and digest activities. High stress levels activate the sympathetic system, diverting blood flow away from non-essential areas like your hands and feet. This can lead to reduced circulation and make it harder for nutrients and immune cells to reach your toes, where toenail fungus can thrive. Incorporating deep breathing exercises or meditation into your daily routine can help activate the parasympathetic response, promoting relaxation and balanced bodily functions. Simple practices, such as taking 5-second inhalations followed by 5-second exhalations for 5 to 10 minutes, can make a noticeable difference. You may even notice your hands and feet warming up, an indicator that blood flow has improved. Regular relaxation practices not only enhance circulation, but also reduce stress hormones that can suppress immune function. When your body is relaxed, it can more effectively allocate resources to maintaining and healing peripheral areas like your toes. This holistic approach supports the body's natural defense mechanisms, creating an environment that is less hospitable to toenail fungus and fostering overall health. 10. Additional supportive treatments. In addition to lifestyle and hygiene changes, natural remedies can further help manage toenail fungus. Soaking your feet in a warm Epsom salt bath can be soothing and help reduce inflammation, while apple cider vinegar has natural antifungal properties that can support the elimination of fungus. Consider soaking your feet in a diluted solution of apple cider vinegar for 15-20 minutes a day to enhance antifungal efforts. Natural oils like tea tree oil, oregano oil, and garlic oil are known for their potent antifungal and antibacterial properties. Applying a few drops of these oils to the affected nail can aid in reducing fungal activity, but be sure to test a small area first to avoid skin irritation. Some people find success with over-the-counter antifungal creams or medicated foot powders that keep the feet dry and inhibit fungal growth. Another supportive practice is homeopathy, though its effectiveness varies from person to person. While more research is needed, many individuals have reported positive results using homeopathic remedies, especially when combined with other natural treatments. For best results, any natural treatment should be used consistently over time, as toenail fungus can be stubborn and slow to resolve. If your symptoms persist or worsen, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider for further guidance. Combining these supportive treatments with proper lifestyle changes can provide a comprehensive approach to managing and preventing toenail fungus, promoting overall health and well-being. Conclusion. Thank you for watching this episode of Health Pills. Toenail fungus may seem like a small inconvenience, but as we've discussed, it's a signal from your body that something deeper might need attention. By addressing the root causes, improving your lifestyle, and using the tips shared in this video, you can achieve lasting results. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and share it with others who could benefit from this knowledge. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more life-saving tips. Stay proactive, take care of your health, and see you in the next video.